All right, y'all, so this is gonna be a quick tutorial on how to change the lock cylinder for 2015 Ford Escape. Changed out the door on this vehicle and just need to change out the lock cylinder so that this key works on that. So there was this black cover right here. Just pop that off. Use a trim tool. And inside of there, it's gonna. So yeah, there's a screw in there. It's real light. Trying to see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, yep. Be a T25 right there. Gonna pop that out real quick. All right. You're gonna get to a point where it's gonna be able to pull out. It's a pretty long screw, so I feel like it's not coming out. Don't stop twisting. Just keep on turning. You don't need to take it all the way out. You just need it to release that lock. All right. Put the wrench in the opposite direction. She locks. This video helped you out. Like, subscribe.